Let's start our progress check reading comprehension. 26 workbook. To start with, can you read, Ahmed?
What do you know about Abdurrahman al-Sumait?
Excellent. Thank you. Do you know anything about this man?
No.
Look here. He is standing and looking to a poor boy. So, what do you think he's doing with him?
He's helping him.
Very good. Thank you very much. So, where, which continent do you think he is now in this picture?
Africa.
Africa. So, let's listen and read about him. Let's read the passage and answer the following questions about this man. Can you read the question
What is the purpose of the writer?
for writing this passage? So, can you start reading the first paragraph?
Okay. Abdurrahman al-Sumait was born in Kuwait. He was born on October 15, 1947, and passed away in 2013. He was a physician, an Islamic scholar.
Yeah.
He studied medicine at the University of Baghdad. Abdurrahman al-Sumait was a doctor specializing in internal medicine before working in charity work. He received more than 12 prizes and honor certificate from different organizations.
Thanks a lot. So, what's the main
Abdurrahman
idea?
al-Sumait
Wait a minute, Ahmad. What's the main idea of the first paragraph?
saying what he accomplished and when he was born and died,
Oh, this is
and
personal
starting
information
with his
about
life.
who is Abdurrahman
His
Sunnah.
life.
Thanks a lot. So, can you continue reading the second paragraph here?
Abdurrahman al-Sumait established a human organization known as Direct Ald in less than 30 years. Direct Ald built more than 800 schools, 4 universities, 200 medicine clinics, over 200 centers for women, and 2,200 mosques. It drilled thousands of wells and constituted many agriculture projects which turned desert areas into green ones.
Thanks a lot. So, can you tell me what's the second paragraph is about?
It's saying what he accomplished and built.
Thank you very much. So, the teach achievements. Thank you very much. Good boy. Now, let's move to the last paragraph here. The third paragraph, number 3. Go on.
We learn a lot from Dr. Abdulrahman Al Sumait, who spent his life serving humanity and helping the poor around the world, especially in Africa. He is known for his good deeds, cares, and charity work.
Thank you very, very much. Thanks a lot. So here we have some questions about this text. I hope that you get the idea of this text.
The best title for the passage is A.
A direct
Direct
or a man or
B.
to remember or Africa or internal medicine. What do you think?
B. A man to remember.
Let's check your answer. So that's it. Excellent. Good boy. A man to remember. So all the text is written about. Okay, let's have another question here. Can you read, please, Ahmed?
The underlined pronoun which in the same paragraph refers to
So here we have to know what's the reference of this word. This is linking word which refers to something behind it. So we have to read the word, the sentence that comes behind, before this word. Can you read the the sentence before which and tell me what does which refer to?
It drilled thousands of wells and constituted many agricultural projects which
Nice. So, which refers to what? Universities, training centers, most agriculture projects. Which one is the correct answer?
D.
That's right.
Agricultural purchase projects.
So the nearest word that comes before which is agriculture projects. This is the answer. So let's check your answer. Okay, so that's good. Thank you very much. So we answer the reference word by reading before the word that they given us. Okay, let's have another question.
The underlined pronoun would deeds in the third paragraph mean?
Okay, what does the underlined pronoun or pronoun word or word deeds in the third paragraph or phrase? This is the third paragraph, and here is the word deed. Okay, so what does that mean? To understand the word, I have to read before the word and after the word from he is none and after the word here. So I can understand the meaning of the word according to the context of the sentence. So Ahmed, can you read the sentence and let's see which choice is correct.
Okay. He is known for his good deeds, care, and charity work.
So maybe deeds refer to charity work. Okay, that's what I understand. So the explanation of the word comes after the word. Okay, so you have to focus more here. So which word? Let's read the choices, and after that you have to choose one of them. Can you read?
Okay. A. Action. B. Interest. C. Tasks. D. Benefits.
Okay, which one do you think make sense to charity work or deeds?
D. Benefits.
Benefits. Let's see together. Oh, this time you're wrong. Okay. That's anyway. So deeds refers to actions, or actually it means actions. Okay. Deeds means actions. Benefits it refers to things. Okay. So deeds refer to actions or it means actions. Keep that in mind. Okay. Don't forget that.
Okay.
Let's move now to another question.
Okay.
We have this question. Can you read?
The main idea of the paragraph is
The main idea of that paragraph is. Can you read the choices?
A. Abdurrahman Al Sumaid as founder of Direct Aid. B. Abdurrahman Al Sumaid biography. C. Abdurrahman Al Sumaid as a great man who helped the poor. D. Direct Aid is a humanitarian organization.
So, which one is more general and more uh, close to the idea of the paragraph of the text? What we are talking about?
E. Abdurrahman al-Sumait as great man who helped the poor.
Great man who helped the poor. Maybe. Let's see together. So you are right this time. Thank you very much. So as you can see, here is more general idea of the paragraph. We are talking about Abdullah Smith as a great man who helped the poor. It is not just about his biography, his information, where was he born, and what did he study. It's more about his deeds, where and where he helped the poor people in Africa. So thanks a lot.
11 million Islam, 5,700 masjid built, 9,500 wells built, 15,000 orphans sponsored in Africa. One man equal a nation.
Thank you very much. So this is his deed. This is his achievements. So do you think he's a great man or what?
Indeed, he is.
Thank you very much. So why do you think and how do you think he has done like this achievements?
Can you repeat that?
I mean, how do you think he achieved like this achievements? Uh, I mean, 11 million accepted Islam, or he built about 500, 5,700 masjids, mosque, or what about the wells he built, which are about 9,500 and more than 15,000 orphans sponsored. So how could a man make like this?
Kindness?
By his kindness?
Yes.
Really nice. Thank you very much. So do you and Abdurrahman Smith is he has passed away many years ago. So may Allah accept him and his deeds. I I have some conclusion questions about some grammars that we have dealt with before. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Can you read?
Do as shown between brackets. My friend used to eat a lot of sweets.
What's your comment between brackets?
Make negative.
Okay, so tell me how can you make me?
Can you repeat that?
Okay, for example, I can give you example. For example, before giving example, I read the sentence. My friend used to eat a lot of sweets. Okay. For example, I used to play football when I was a child, but now I don't. What should we use? Don't or didn't?
My friend used. Didn't.
Very good. So, can you tell me how can you make it?
My friend didn't use to eat a lot of sweets.
Let's see your answer. Okay, that you are right. Thank you very much. So, can you read the answer again?
My friends didn't use to eat a lot of sweets.
Thank you very much. So, we add the didn't as we making negative, and we omit the last letter D because we have infinitive form of the verb after the didn't. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you. Let's see another exercise. Let's move now to another questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you read this sentence?
Do as shown between brackets. Columbus discovered America in 1942. Ask a question.
Okay. Thanks a lot. So Columbus discovered America in 1492? So I want you to ask about Columbus. How can you make question about Columbus?
Who discovered America in 1942?
In 1492, okay? In 1492. Take care. And let's see your question. That's right. Thank you very much. So, who discovered America in 1492? Thanks a lot. So, if I want to ask about America or the date, what are the shape of the question?
When was America discovered?
When was America? Okay, here we don't have the auxiliary verb be, so we can use did. Can you make question using did?
Can you repeat that again, please?
For example, I played football yesterday. If you ask me about the time, you will say, when did you play football? When did you play football? So here we are asking about the date, the same idea of his discovery. So we start our question with did, with when did. So can you complete the question with when did?
When did Columbus discover America?
That's it. Thanks a lot. And what about America? Can you make question about America? What? What did
What did
Columbus
Columbus discover
in
in America?
in 1492? Thank you.
In
And this is
42.
your question. Can you read your question about the date?
When did Columbus discover America?
Thank you very, very much. I hope that you got. This is about first conditional sentences. I want you to complete this sentence. If I see a fire, what will you do?
I will run away.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So your grammar is okay and good, very good. The fireman, the same idea. I use I will with infinitive form of the verb. So thank you. Can you read the example again?
Do as shown between the brackets.
Yes. Read the sentence.
If I see a fire, I will call the firemen.
Thanks a lot. Here we have a puzzle. Okay. I just want you to write them because they show the answer at the same time. So you can read the first word. What is it?
Aquarium.
That's it. And the second one,
High.
no, read it well.
Artist.
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 What about the third one?
Broken.
This one.
Daughter.
Next.
Husband. Model.
Thank you very much.
Give me a word that starts with a D.
No,
and
just read the words.
Drive. Drove. Done. Die. Dive.
Thanks a lot. Now we will move. You got A plus. Thanks a lot. Now we will move to a video that tells you the three forms of the verbs, some given verbs. I hope you to watch them. And
1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Go and gone. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Put. Put, put, put. Bring. Bring, brought, brought. Feed. Feed, back, back. Come. Come, came, come. Oh, my.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you understand every details in this lesson. And I hope all the students of my class and even those who follow me to get something or from our videos. I hope that to watch your comments on the video. See you next time. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ahmed.
You're welcome.